up, everyone? Welcome back to the KS Photo Cafe. Today I'm taking you guys sailing. Yeah, I don't know if you guys probably didn't know. I have a sailboat. It's a skill set that I learned last year, and one of the things I wanted to do when I moved out west here, where the weather is amazing all the time, is I wanted to learn how to sail. So a buddy of mine who was coming with me today showed me how to sail, taught me how to do things, and then turns out sailboats are pretty cheap. So yeah, I mean, I saw an opportunity to purchase one. It's a 27-foot Catalina. It's made in 1976, but she runs pretty good. So apologies to the subscribers who thought this is going to be all about motorcycles. But nah, it's about me being on a motorcycle, loving the fact that I love a motorcycle, but you get to see what I do for my other hobbies as well. Today will be sailing because the winds are fair and the weather is nice. What more can you ask for, right? Go for a ride on a motorcycle and then go sailing on the waters. If you guys have any other crazy hobbies like I do, comment below. I'd like to know what other motorcyclists have for a hobby other than just riding a motorcycle, because you know, sometimes depending on where you live, riding a motorcycle is only a part of the year. But yeah, I think today's going to be a gorgeous day to go for sailing, be a gorgeous day to go riding as well, so I'm doing a little bit of both. So yeah, I haven't really been out for a while for sailing ever since I got my motorcycle. Only because it's competing hobbies, especially when there's a nice weather outside. And frankly, getting on a motorcycle and just going is a lot easier than preparing a sailboat and getting out there. I mean, there's perks for both, but yeah, I find that it relaxes me. If you have gone sailing before, I think you know what I'm talking about when I say that. When you're under the wind power and all you can hear the water and nothing else, just kind of splashing by your boat, and as you glide through, it's a freaking awesome feeling. But hopefully my boat is functioning as it's supposed to be, because I haven't seen her for a long time, and I really need to make it worthwhile of having this boat by going for a sail once in a while, just because mortgage fees are expensive. So I hope everyone enjoyed the review of my Iron 883. It took a while for me to collect my thoughts and put the notes down. I try to bring in information that a lot of the YouTubers that I've already seen haven't really talked about yet, just to give a little bit of a new flavor. Sometimes it's nice to hear from a review from a new rider that's trying to learn the ways of the motorcycle. But yeah, I'll show you what my boat looks like. Since I'll be leaving it here for a while, I think I will actually lock the bike. But yeah, it's a pretty neat hobby. Very fucking expensive. Not for the boat, but just for maintaining the boat, keeping it on the docks. Well, right there, the blue boat. Ooh, that fucking log is on the way. That's not good. Well, here she is. Looking alright. That's all she wrote. See you later. Well, that was refreshing. Hope you guys all enjoyed my little sail. Did it for maybe a little bit of an hour or two. Caught some crab. I mean, who doesn't like crabs, right? So yeah, it's fucking sweet to live on a coast. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace.